Welcome to ScoopBuddy fam. Today we're diving into the transformative power of social media in modern business. From marketing to customer service, social media platforms have reshaped the way businesses operate and interact with their audiences. Let's explore how. 1. Marketing and brand awareness. Social media has become an integral part of our daily lives, with billions of users across the globe. For businesses, these platforms offer unprecedented opportunities to reach and engage with customers. Over the past decade, social media usage has skyrocketed. Businesses have quickly realized the potential to tap into these massive audiences. Let's look at how different aspects of business have evolved through social media. First and foremost, social media has revolutionized marketing. Traditional advertising channels are being complemented and sometimes replaced by digital marketing strategies. Brands can now create targeted ad campaigns, engage directly with consumers, and build brand awareness like never before. Analytics tools on platforms like Facebook and Instagram allow businesses to track engagement, understand their audience better, and refine their marketing strategies in real time. This data-driven approach leads to more effective and efficient marketing efforts. 2. Customer engagement and relationship building. Social media also plays a crucial role in customer engagement and relationship building. Platforms like Twitter and LinkedIn enable businesses to interact directly with their customers, addressing queries, resolving issues, and building a loyal customer base. Moreover, user-generated content has become a powerful tool. Encouraging customers to share their experiences and feedback on social media not only promotes authenticity, but also fosters a sense of community around the brand. 3. Sales and lead generation. Sales and lead generation have also been significantly impacted by social media. Features like shoppable posts on Instagram and Facebook have streamlined the purchasing process, allowing businesses to turn social engagement into direct sales. Through strategic content creation and targeted advertising, businesses can attract potential customers, nurture leads, and convert them into loyal buyers. 4. Insights and market research. Another vital aspect is market research. Social media platforms provide a wealth of information about consumer preferences and trends. By analyzing this data, businesses can gain valuable insights, helping them make informed decisions and stay ahead of the competition. 5. Influencer collaborations. Lastly, influencer marketing has become a staple in modern business strategies. Collaborating with influencers allows brands to reach wider and more engaged audiences. Influencers, with their trusted voices, can significantly boost a brand's credibility and visibility. These collaborations often result in increased brand awareness, higher engagement rates, and ultimately, better sales performance. I'll give you an additional point that is social media for recruitment. Social media isn't just for marketing and customer engagement. It's also a powerful tool for recruitment. Platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, and even Instagram allow businesses to reach potential candidates, showcase their company culture, and post job openings. By leveraging social media, companies can attract top talent, streamline their hiring processes, and build a strong employer brand. In conclusion, social media has fundamentally changed the landscape of modern business. From marketing and customer engagement to sales and market research, these platforms offer endless opportunities for growth and innovation. As social media continues to evolve, businesses must adapt and leverage these tools to stay competitive in today's digital age.